Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to unlock domain expansion in Jujutsu Shenanigans. Now, first off, domain expansion isn't something you just get right away. It's sort of like an ultimate move, and to unlock it, you need to put in some work on your curse technique. In the current version of the game, only certain high-tier techniques actually have a domain expansion available to them. Typically, your special grade or legendary techniques. Techniques that aren't high enough usually don't get a full domain at all or only get very limited versions. Once you've got a compatible curse technique, there are two main things you need: enough mastery with that technique and a rare item called a domain shard. You need to raise your mastery level for that technique up high, usually into the mid hundreds, before the domain expansion option becomes unlocked in the skill menu. Then you need at least one domain shard in your inventory, and these shards are rare drops from chests, elite enemies, or sometimes the in-game market. And they're what actually lets you activate the domain expansion node in your skills. Once you met both requirements, the mastery level and the shard, just open your innate or skills tab. Find a domain expansion node to the far right and you unlock it like you would any other skill. After it's unlocked and equipped, you can fill up your domain meter by fighting enemies, and when it hits 100%, you'll be able to press the assign key to actually cast your domain expansion in battle. Now, inside your domain, you'll get big buffs, your curse technique, and your moves become super strong. So, bottom line, it takes time, mastery, and a rare domain shard before you can unleash that game changing domain expansion. But once you do, it's one of the most powerful tools you've got. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!